IMI Kolkata offers a variety of courses, including Postgraduate Diploma in Management, PGDM. This is a 2-year full-time flagship program that provides students with a comprehensive understanding of business management. Students can specialize in one of the following areas: economics, strategy, innovation and entrepreneurship, operations management, marketing, finance, information systems and analytics, postgraduate diploma in management, PGDM, fellow program in management, FPM, executive fellow program in management, EFPM, international student exchange program, ISEP, postgraduate certificate in financial markets, PGCFM, data science and AI with fintech specialization, essentials of leadership, postgraduate certificate program in family business management, PGCFBM. The eligibility criteria for IMI Kolkata programs vary depending on the program you're interested in. Here's a breakdown for the programs you inquired about. Postgraduate Diploma in Management, PGDM. Academic background: bachelor's degree, minimum 3 years, in any discipline from a recognized university, India or abroad. Minimum 50% marks throughout your education, including 10th, 12th, and bachelor's degree. Entrance exams: Valid CAT, Common Admission Test, XAT, Xavier Aptitude Test, GMAT, Graduate Management Admission Test, SCORE. Fellow Program in Management, FPM. Academic background: master's degree or equivalent in any discipline with a minimum of 55% marks from a recognized university, institute. For some specializations, a first-class master's degree might be required. Work experience: a minimum of 5 years of relevant full-time work experience in the corporate sector or academia, teaching. Executive Fellow Program in Management, EFPM. Eligibility information for EFPM at IMI Kolkata isn't available on their official website. However, EFPM programs generally target working professionals, so expect requirements like master's degree in management or a related field. Significant work experience, often 5+ years, in a managerial role. Proven track record and strong motivation for pursuing a doctoral program. Here's an overview of IMI Kolkata placements based on recent information. Placement season for PGDM 2022-24. Positive placement record: 100% placement. IMI Kolkata achieved a 100% placement record for the graduating batch. Increased packages: compared to previous years, the average and median salary packages offered have seen a significant rise. Reputed recruiters: a large number of well-known companies participated in the placement process. Key placement statistics: highest package, 20.38 lakh rupees per annum, LPA. Average package, 11 rupees and 71 paise LPA. Median package, 12 rupees and 64 paise LPA.
Top recruiters, examples: Deloitte, ICICI Bank, KPMG, PwC, Air, Jockey, Byju's. Placement process: pre-placement activities. IMI Kolkata offers various resources to prepare students for placements, including resume workshops, mock interviews, and industry interaction sessions. Company participation: companies conduct presentations and interact with students to identify suitable candidates. Selection process: the selection process may involve written tests, group discussions, and personal interviews.